Meaning of generalship.
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 Generalship. Generalship refers to the art or skill of being a general, which involves planning and executing military operations to achieve strategic objectives. A general must possess various qualities such as leadership, intelligence, courage, and strategic thinking to succeed in their role. Effective generalship can be the difference between victory and defeat on the battlefield. Successful generals throughout history have demonstrated the ability to adapt to changing circumstances, take calculated risks, and inspire their troops to fight with valor. In essence, generalship is a combination of tactical brilliance, leadership, and an unwavering commitment to achieving victory.